Episode 27, Exploring the Arts and Sciences of Sustainable Air Conditioning Alternatives, originally published July 29th, 2022. I'm making use of this precious moment where there has just been a very small amount of rain, but enough to get me to enact a rain catchment drill and open the hatches and try to get everything I could possibly capture rain with situated. And sadly, it was not a continuous rainfall. It was only enough to really to just dampen the ground a little bit, but it was enough to at least test the roof integrity and and just to run through that drill of remembering things that, I mean, I've pretty much set things up so that it's not a headache, it's not a cluster, it's not a big chore, it's just a few tasks, and it's just a little mini conversion of a few things. Like, okay, well, I'm gonna remove the shade from the dome garden because obviously with cloud cover it's not going to get burnt by the sun, so I have at least until tomorrow to leave that shade down, and it's just canvas material which would allow droplets to go through it, but I don't want to risk that runs off